Hello and welcome to signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways electronic signatures can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
The world is continuing to embrace remote working conditions across different industries. From small firms to multi-million-dollar businesses, signNow eSignature helps digitize and automate document processes, helping HR professionals reclaim working hours, cut cost, and eliminate hassle with e-signature workflows. Optimize onboarding processes and increase employee satisfaction. Collect data and e-signatures from multiple job applicants. Organize documents in groups so they can be easily shared, and securely store that data from anywhere using any desktop or mobile device. Here are a few insights on how to use signNow to optimize your processes, improve employee satisfaction, and let your HR staff focus on strategic initiatives, not paperwork. Regardless of whether your customers have a signNow account or not, they can sign a document whenever they receive a signature request. Moreover, the signNow Guide Me feature takes them through the entire signing process so as not to miss any fields. As they open a document sent to them, they'll see a pop-up notification telling them who has invited them to sign and the number of required and optional fields they have to fill out. All they need to do is click Get Started and then click the orange Start arrow to proceed with filling in their document. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified e-signature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
If you work with documents on a regular basis, click the link in the description and try signNow for a period of 7 days absolutely free.